You guys are beginner video editors who want to start creating on Filmora, but you don't know how to download it properly.
Or maybe you're confused about which plan to buy. So today, we will tell you how to download Filmora 15 on your PC or laptop with the 100% genuine method.
Plus, we'll explain the new AI features that make editing crazy fast. Let's get started. First of all, you'll find a link in the description of this video. Go and open it.
Once the page loads, look at the top right. Make sure you select your country so the pricing switches to your local currency, like INR or USD.
Now you'll see options for individual, team, and education. If you're just one person editing on a single device, stick to the individual plan.
Here is where everyone gets confused. You have two main options, the annual subscription and the perpetual plan.
What is the actual difference? Is one better than the other?
Great question. The subscription plan, you pay a yearly fee. The benefit is that you get all updates and all major upgrades. So when Filmora 16 or 17 comes out, you get it for free.
The perpetual plan, this is a one-time payment. You pay once and you own Filmora 15 forever.
That sounds better.
It is great for avoiding monthly bills. However, keep in mind, with Perpetual, you get minor updates like security fixes for version 15, but if a major new version comes out next year, you might have to pay a small fee to upgrade to it.
Got it. So if you hate subscriptions, go perpetual. If you always want the latest major version, go annual.
Now, some people will ask, why pay at all? Can't I just find a crack online?
I will say this again. Stay away from cracked software.
Is it really that dangerous?
Yes. To save a little money, you are risking all the data on your laptop. Cracked software often contains viruses or ransomware. If your computer gets infected, you'll pay 80 to 90% of the membership costs just to get your computer repaired.
Plus, cracked versions crash constantly and don't get the cool AI updates. It's not worth the headache.
Okay, back to the website. Enter your email, click Continue, and choose your payment method: credit card, PayPal, or Google Pay.
Don't worry, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't understand the software, you can cancel.
Once checkout is done, your plan is active. Simply go back to the previous page, hit Download, and install the software.
When you open Filmora 15 for the first time, look for the Login button. Enter the email and password you just used to buy it. This removes the watermark and unlocks the features.
Speaking of features, Filmora 15 is packed with AI tools that save so much time.
Exactly. Here are the key AI features you get with this version.
AI Object Remover. Got a stranger walking in your background? You can remove them instantly. AI Extend. This is magic. If your video clip is too short for the music, AI generates new frames to make the clip longer while keeping the quality.
Dynamic Captions. It automatically listens to your audio and creates stylish, editable subtitles in minutes.
And for the creative stuff, you have Image to Video, which turns static photos into animations, and AI Vocal Remover to separate singing from background music. It's all drag and drop.
Can my laptop run all this AI stuff?
Filmora is very optimized. For Windows, you need OS, Windows 11 or below, CPU, Intel i5 6th Gen or newer, RAM 8 GB minimum, but 16 GB is best for 4K video. Disk, about 10 GB of free space, SSD recommended.
So, there you have it. A genuine way to get the best video editor for beginners.
If you want to start creating, the link is in the description. Go download it, install it, and use those AI features to boost your productivity.
We'll meet you in another interesting and informative video. Till then, bye!
Have a nice day.